What is the simple solution for obesity or overweight? What is the simple solution for obesity or overweight? This is the topic today. It's very simple, very, very simple. If you apply, if you implement, you will be free from obesity, you will lose weight drastically. It's very simple. Eat only when you are hungry. We eat whatever you eat only when you are hungry. Then this is the simplest solution for obesity or overweight. How? Why? When we are hunger in our body, ghrelin, G-H-R-E-L-I-N, it's a hunger hormone will be released in our body. Then only we know that we are hunger. We need some energy. Body is asking you. Please understand body language. When you need more energy, more calories, when you need more vitamins, minerals, fats, protein, fiber, whatever it may be, if body is required, the ghrelin hormone will be released in your body. That is the signal that we know that we need some calories, we need some energy, we have to refill our food. That is the indication. When you eat without hunger, the food will be converted into fat, glucose or glycogen, whatever. Will be converted as glucose. The glucose will be converted as glycogen. It will be stored in liver, under skin or fat bags or fat cells, like that. If when you are in hunger, when you eat at that time, body will utilize that calories. Body will utilize that glucose. But very bad thing is we are eating as schedules. There is no schedule. We created breakfast, snacks, lunch, snacks, dinner, snacks. What we are doing? The biggest problem in the world is overeating. We don't require that much calories. We are not using, we are not walking, we are not doing physical exercise, we are not running, we are not doing anything. There is no physical activity, but eating. The eating also, most of the time we are eating carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means we are getting lot of glucose. The glucose will convert to glycogen, then it will store in fats. That is the biggest problem for obesity or overweight. Crores of people suffering with this. Crores of people in all over the world suffering with obesity. It's very simple. You can try for 1 month, you can try for 2 months, you will understand. You will come down definitely, rapidly will come, your weight will lose. No weight loss pills, no medicines, no chemicals, no nothing. Just practice this. Understand your body language. Eat only when you are hungry. That is the simple formula. Also, stop when you feel full. Eat when you are hungry. Stop when you feel full. When we taking food after half or 60%, after 70%, when we eat, our body will give signal, it's enough, stop the eating. Just focus on your thoughts, focus on your body, focus on your mind. That will give signal that you stop. It's more than enough, you stop. But for restaurant payment, for taste, for people surprise, after we get signal also we are eating. But what should do that? When you deposit more, it will converted as fat. What is the problem? First understand body language. Body always tells you it's more than enough. Stop. You feeling hunger, you eat. You feeling thirsty, you drink. Drink means water, drink. When you taking alcohol, when you taking smoke, your body tells you just focus on thoughts. Your body tells you it's not good for us. It's harmful. Don't drink. Don't smoke. Every time our subconscious mind will tells us. Our body will inform us. Understand the body language. Talk with your body every day. Whatever you do, that is guiding you. Always body will guide you. You definitely will be happy. Definitely you will be healthy. So, eat only when you are hungry. Stop once signal comes. Enough. Definitely you will be free from obesity. You will be free from overweight. Thank you.